a significant development, Kerala's Kodikunnil Suresh, the most senior Lok Sabha member, has been nominated as a candidate for the position of Speaker of the Lok Sabha. K. Suresh, an 8-term MP from Mavelikara in Kerala and currently serving as the acting president of the Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee, has been elected to the Lok Sabha for 8th time. He has also held the position of All India Congress Committee Secretary. Suresh, who was elected for the first time to the Lok Sabha in 1989, has a long-standing political career despite facing legal challenges including accusation about his religion and caste certificate. He has remained a prominent figure in Kerala politics. On the other hand, Om Birla, the 17th Speaker of the Lok Sabha, will be the candidate for the NDA for the election Speaker in 18th Lok Sabha. Om Birla, a member of Bharatiya Janata Party, has represented Rajasthan's Kota constituency in the Lok Sabha since 2014. Prior to his Lok Sabha tenure, he served as a member of Rajasthan Legislative Assembly. Birla, who won his first assembly elections from Kota South in 2003, has been an active politician in Rajasthan. His re-election to the lower house in 2024 after serving as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is a testament to his political acumen and popularity among the people. Both K. Suresh and Om Birla are seasoned politicians with a strong track record in Indian politics. Their nominations for the position of Speaker highlights the democratic process within the Lok Sabha.